Welcome to our guide on 100 essential English verbs. Today, we will explore the words you need to describe your entire day. Verbs are the heart of every sentence. Mastering these will help you speak English more naturally and confidently in any situation. Let's begin with your morning routine. These are the very first things you do when a new day starts. First, you wake up as the sun comes through the window. Then, you rise and finally get out of bed. Next, you wash your face to feel refreshed and brush your teeth to keep them clean and bright. After that, it is time to dress in your favorite clothes. Then, you drink some water or coffee to hydrate. Now, you eat a healthy breakfast and pack your bag with everything you need for the day ahead. Finally, you leave the house and commute to your destination, whether by bus, car, or walking. Great! Now that we are out, let's look at work and study verbs. These are vital for professional and academic success. At your desk, you type emails and read important documents or textbooks to gather new information. You might write notes during a meeting or call a colleague to discuss a project together. Many of us attend meetings or classes where we plan our tasks and organize our schedules. If you work with numbers, you calculate data. If you are creative, you design beautiful things. And of course, students study hard to master their subjects. Education is a continuous journey for everyone. Moving on to communication and socializing. These verbs help us connect with the people around us every day. When we meet friends, we speak and listen. It is important to talk and share our thoughts openly. If you are curious, you ask questions. When you know the information, you answer them clearly. We often suggest ideas and explain things to help others understand our perspective better. Joyful moments make us laugh and smile. Sometimes a warm hug is the best way to show care. Now, let's head back to chores and home life. These are the verbs that keep our living spaces comfortable. At home, we clean the rooms and sweep the floor to keep everything tidy and organized. In the kitchen, we cook dinner or bake delicious treats like cookies and bread for the family. When things break, we repair them. Outside, we garden to grow beautiful plants and flowers. Finally, we relax on the sofa, watch a movie, or listen to music before it's time to sleep. That covers our journey through 100 verbs. Let's do a quick review of the most important ones we learned today. Practice these verbs daily. Use them in your own sentences to remember them better and improve your English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons and keep learning every single day. Goodbye.